Right, thanks for coming in, guys. We're just going to do the Safety Toolbox Talk that's new to the company at the moment. Attention please on the screen there. This is the image. We're just going to read a script, okay, that's been sent out by the safety advisor, Dan Lee. Any questions that you've got, shout them out during or at the end. There are a couple of questions at the end to make sure that you paid attention, okay? So this is all about raising awareness of our safety management system. The Safety Management System is a manual that details how the hazards and risks in our workplace will be managed so that they do not pose an unacceptable risk of harm or injury to any person or employee. It's essential reading for all management levels, as failing to apply the processes and controls detailed within it puts the manager at risk of breaking the UK law. So as you can see from the slide here there, the Safety Management System has within it 4 main parts, although you can actually see 6 there, but I'll run you through the main ones. First is the safety policy, sets the direction, tone and commitment of the company towards achieving a safe working place. The policy leads into the second part, the roles and responsibilities, which clearly state who does what and how workplace safety will be managed. Third are the safety management system arrangements. These show who does what needs to be done and how it's done. It also tells you what to do to manage safety in your workplace. Your role will dictate which parts of this that you need to read. Then you have the risk assessments. These are essential records of workplace hazards and risks. They are essential documents for you to read, understand and apply. Lastly, you've got safe working procedures and local procedures, and these are direct instructions to ensure that specific work activities are performed safely. So remember that the safety policy must be displayed on the workplace safety notice board. The safety management system is an essential tool for existing and new managers. Although it contains a lot of information, it should be read and understood by all managers to ensure that the relevant workplace hazards and risks are properly controlled so that their employees are not injured or harmed. The whole ethos of workplace health and safety management is not to tie up businesses in red tape. The health and safety laws are passed to prevent employees and other persons affected by our work activities from being harmed or injured. Experience has shown over the past 100 years that workplaces kill, maim, injure and harm humans. Society has decided that it is unacceptable for companies to treat their workers as expendable assets. Remember that health and safety is everyone's business. This can be achieved where the managers of the workplace fully understand their legal, moral and financial responsibilities to ensure that their workplaces are as safe as they can be. So that's the end of the prepared text. I've got a couple of questions for you then, just to see if you've been paying attention or having your eyes open. So how many sections are there in a safety management system?
4. The main ones.
The main ones. How many?
3. 4, sorry, 6.
4, and then you've got 6 with the safe working procedures and local procedures. Yeah. And which part of the safety management system must be read by workplace managers? Which parts?
The policy.
Policy?
Yeah.
Roles and responsibilities.
Roles and responsibilities.
All.
Not all, but the bits of the detailed arrangements that apply to your workplace, and then your risk assessments. All right. So that's what it is, and it's as simple as that. There'll be another one next month, and we'll build on to the first one here by looking at each area in some little bit more detail.
Okay.
5 minutes, guys. Thanks very much. Back to work.
Cheers, Alan.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.
I think Ian